Look, I get it. Rejection is the worst, and hearing that your crush doesn't feel the same way about you can be freaking devastating. Look, and partly it's your fault for falling in love without even having a connection yet. But then again, how can we control what our heart feels? Right? Wrong. You could have controlled it by controlling the situation and avoiding ever falling in love with her. Let me explain. Number one, abundance. See, if your crush doesn't like you back, it's because you were not having an abundance mindset. This is the reason why you feel so trashy, because that one girl that you fell in love with just said no. Did you hear that? Did you hear what I just said? That one girl in that small social circle that you have in your small town, that one girl is the one you chose to fall in love with. You have become obsessed with that one girl, and you have literally put all your attention into one person. Let me make a better analogy. Have you ever been to the casino? Well, if you haven't, most people will tell you don't bet on the same number, right? If you have $1,000, you're not going to drop all $1,000 on a single number. Why? Because when you lose, it'll be devastating. Instead, you want to spread it around, right? Increase your chances of success. You do the same thing with women. When you're not dating and you're in a talking stage, I want you to engage with as many people as possible through Tinder, through Bumble, through Hinge, through Instagram, through TikTok, through your social circles. Talk to as many women as possible. This will increase your abundance mindset, show you that there's a lot out there to offer, and avoid for you to become obsessed with a singular woman that can become devastating. But this takes us on to number two. If your crush said no, I need you to move on. Look, Brother Jose doesn't lie. Brother Jose does not sugarcoat things. You can't twist somebody's arm into liking you. You can't just force yourself into another person's heart. What you do need to understand, though, is that you can, number three, improve. I don't want you to go and blame her and hate her. A lot of times women aren't the problem. A lot of times the problem's right here. Almost all women want the same thing. You're tall, masculine, successful, good-looking dude. You want to know what the interesting thing is? That 3 out of 4 things you have complete control over. You can level up. You can invest more in yourself. You can go to the gym and get stronger, look more masculine. You can dress better. You can improve your social skills. All of that you can do. I want you to take this experience as a learning curve. And instead of being mad, I want you to ask yourself, why did she not like me? Why does she like Jake? What am I missing and where can I improve? Which, by the way, if you really want to improve, my guy, this Saturday, April 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern, we are dropping our new collection of Santa Lucia fragrances, which, dare I say, they're captivating. Dare I say, they'll get you compliments even from the girl that doesn't like you, because these fragrances, they don't smell like your basic Dior Sauvage. Matter of fact, cue the ad.
Excuse me, what do you have on?
Come closer.
Close your eyes. Can you hear me?
My guy, that's gonna be you. Bro, our Come Closer fragrance, which uses Turkish rose, is so strong, so powerful, that any girl that smells you, I guarantee you, she will give you compliments. Our To Conquering fragrance is our boss fragrance. This is for the CEO that just wants to intimidate other men. This is a strong, manly fragrance filled with patchouli. The mint helps you focus. And then our third fragrance, which is our everyday fragrance, that's citrusy, fresh. This is the fragrance you wear every single day for any occasion. When you buy all three, not only do they line up perfectly in your bathroom and look aesthetic, but they line up to say, come closer to conquering every day. Talk about leveling up. Boys, if you guys want to check it out, it's dropping this Saturday. And here's the best part. Look, my factory screwed up. They screwed up and they mislabeled the bottle. See, our bottles are not only made in France, they are parfum status. So they're highly concentrated. This is the highest level of fragrance you can buy. However, they decided to print Eau de Parfum on there, which is kind of insulting because that is one level down. It is less concentrated. So because of the factory screw up on the bottles, I'm gonna give you guys a huge discount. See, if you buy all three fragrances, I'm gonna take off $150. That's because it's my screw up, and I guess my screw up is, well, your reward. So if you guys want to check out this fragrance lineup and buy all three, you're going to get an insane discount this Saturday. Which rolls us on to number 4. If your crush said, no, I need you to invest. Invest more time. Invest more money into yourself. I don't want you to cheapen out on your wardrobe. I don't want you to cheapen out on the time that you spend on yourself. See, most people end up investing their money in wrong places. They'll go and buy $1,000 shoes or buy a freaking new video game console. Instead, you should be grabbing that money and buy more books, right? Buy more courses to build up your side hobby. Invest in a basic wardrobe, something that's clean, that's fitted, that's versatile and timeless, that's gonna level you up, make you look more mature. Invest in a gym membership. I want you to put in time into your diet, put in time into your personal knowledge. Those personal investments, taking your focus away from your crush that just crushed your heart and putting all of that attention, all of that focus into yourself will level you up to a level that most average men will never get to. And then, once you took away your attention from her, not only is she going to be craving the attention, but she's going to be looking from the sidelines and saying, what the hell happened to Johnny? Why is Johnny such a stud now? It's because you invested. Which rolls us on to number 5. Now that you're here, now you ignore. While you're improving yourself, since you're so invested, ignoring that chick becomes easy. I don't want you to like her pictures. I don't want you to comment. I don't want you to see her stories. I want you to completely block her out of your life. And instead, start talking to other women. Instead, start improving yourself. Doing this not only is going to drive her mad, you have to understand women drive from attention. They crave it. Once you remove that from them, that's when they become obsessive. That's when you flip the scales and they start wondering, why the hell is Johnny not giving me the attention that I used to want, that validation that I need? That is when scales are flipped. And look, at this point, you're so leveled up. You're talking to so many girls. That one girl from your small hometown, yeah, she's probably not going to be all that anymore. And now you know what to do the next time that your crush rejects you. Boys, that's it for me in this week's video, boys. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to drop your boy a like down below. Also, don't forget our fragrance line, Santa Lucia, drops this Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern. That's it for me today. See you next time.